Hi there and welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through the full request handling workflow using the Tow4Tech Dispatch app. And we'll also show you what the operator sees in their app so you get the full picture during a Tow4Tech service request. To get started, open the Dispatch app. On the left-hand side, you'll always see the main menu. It stays fixed on every screen. To view incoming requests, click either Live Map or Requests. In the list that opens, look for one marked New. Click the hyperlinked request ID to open it, reviewing and accepting the request. You're now in the service request details screen. Here we're viewing request WXUG2M. At the bottom, you'll see available operators. Tow4Tech will suggest the closest one automatically, but you can assign any available operator manually. You can also adjust the ETA, which is pre-filled with data from Google Maps. Once you've made those choices, click Accept or click Decline if needed. Operator assignment and progress bar. After accepting, you'll see the assigned operator's name and distance to the first stop. Need to change operators? Use the Reassign Operator button. Just note, it's only available until the operator accepts or starts moving. Keep an eye on the progress bar at the bottom. It shows how much time remains to reach the first location based on the ETA. Operator app view. Accepting the job. Switching to the operator app. It's important to note that the operator must be marked on duty in order to receive requests. Once assigned, they'll see a full job overview with map and locations. They can tap Accept and then Start Job, or just begin driving. The system will automatically accept and start the job using GPS data for them. Dispatcher notes and real-time tracking. Back in the Dispatch app, dispatchers can leave notes using the Notes section. Click Add, type your message, and submit it. Notes are visible to both dispatchers and fleet company agents. You can track request progress live via GPS and geofencing. The system auto-updates as the operator goes en route, arrives, and completes their task at each location. Operator completion and uploading photos. At the final location, the operator app detects arrival. To finish the job, the operator taps Take a Photo or Skip. Most choose to take a photo, then tap Send Photo. A green notification message confirms that the service is finished. Dispatch app final review. Back in the Dispatch app, the request is now marked completed. You can review the full request, view a static job map, and reference the timeline, all stored for future use. Thanks for watching. This workflow is just one part of your role as a dispatcher, and we're here to support you every step of the way. For more tutorials and help articles, visit the Tow4Tech Help Center. And if you ever have questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. See you next time.